Have you ever wished for a way to burn fat effortlessly, without diets, workouts, or even leaving your comfort zone? It's no longer a dream, thanks to a groundbreaking discovery called the purple peel exploit. This simple bedtime trick has gone viral, transforming lives worldwide by helping people wake up lighter, energized, and more confident. Harvard scientists have uncovered the root cause of stubborn fat: low mitochondria levels. These tiny engines in your cells are responsible for burning fat and turning it into energy. The more mitochondria you have, the more efficiently your body torches fat, even while you sleep. And Mitolyn is here to make that happen for you. With Mitolyn's popularity skyrocketing, counterfeit products have started to appear. These fake websites can waste your money and compromise your health. That's why we've included the official link in the description below. By using this link, you ensure you get the genuine product, secure payment options, and exclusive discounts for early buyers. One user shared, "I started waking up lighter every single day, without changing a thing." Imagine seeing results like that, without any crash diets or endless gym hours. Mitolyn is unlike anything you've ever tried before. With its powerful blend of 6 exotic nutrients and plants, it works to restore your mitochondria to optimal levels. So you can finally torch stubborn fat, feel younger, and even enjoy smoother skin. And here's the best part. There's no dieting, no intense workouts, no injections, just results. If you're ready to take the first step toward transforming your body and reclaiming your confidence, don't wait. Click the official link below now to learn more. Remember, Mitolyn is backed by a 90-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk, just life-changing results waiting for you. Thousands of people are already waking up lighter, healthier, and happier. Why not you? Click the link below to get started today.